Good morning or afternoon, my internet friends. It's Mr. WM2800. It's Bill. We are now in Skagaway, Alaska, and we did finally. Today was our railroad. I've been telling you about the railroad forever, and we took our railroad ride. And in a short bit here, along with this, I'm going to put the footage in from the railroad. In addition to that, though, just give you a heads up. I remember telling you in Kodiak that I couldn't afford to take the expensive tour to see the bears in person and get my own pictures. Turns out a fella down the hall from me, and a couple of cabins down, did just that, and he's agreed to give me a whole lot of bear pictures. So it probably would be on my, probably going to be still pictures, which means it's not going to be on YouTube. It means you're going to go to WM2800 on Facebook to see those. As soon as he gives them to me, hopefully today, I'm going to upload those as well. So I just want to give you a heads up on that so you know it's coming. So that's going to be some really great stuff to look at. The railroad was decent. We feel we paid too much for it, to be truthful with you, but it was a good, it was a good ride, and I got quite a bit of footage for you to look at. So God bless and enjoy, and I'll talk to you later. Bye now.
The train at any point. And it is approximately a 3.5-hour journey all the way up to the summit and back. 3 to 3.5 hours approximately. So we do welcome you, and we're very glad that you've chosen to join us here this morning, and we're very glad to get to share the experience with you. It's quite a journey, and we look forward to it. But we do have a few safety announcements to cover. We certainly want to make sure that everyone has a safe ride first and foremost. So please listen up to these few safety announcements. First, all passengers must be inside and seated at this time, as I mentioned. A little bit later on, I will make an announcement. You will be allowed to ride. And at this time, we are now arriving at milepost 5.8 Denver Station. This is one of our flag stops where you occasionally stop and drop off hikers. Off to our right, you will see the trailhead of where the trail begins and heads up the valley on our right side. And just at the trailhead here is a little red caboose donated by White Pass to the U.S. Forest Service. It has been renovated and now serves as an overnight cabin that can be rented out for $35 a night. We're then going to cross over the east fork of the glacially fed Skagaway River. You're looking down into the waters of that river. You can see that it is murky in appearance. Well, that murky appearance is due to glacial silt in the water. Once we cross over the bridge, we'll make a long left-hand curve, and it's a great opportunity to view the full length of our train set here at Denver Station milepost 5.8. The same river we were next to just a few miles ago. You can see just how quickly we're gaining elevation. We'll keep looking to the left for our next milepost, just 50 yards down from the track. You're going to see a flat area. It's marked by a sign that reads Brackett's Toll Road. George Brackett, a former mayor of Minneapolis, came north during the gold rush and went no further for his fortune. He built the toll road leading the first 12 miles up the valley. It was an easier, more efficient route than the trail, and so the miners were willing to pay his toll. Mr. Brackett, at the height of the gold rush, was bringing in over $1,000 a day in toll fees. Keep looking to our left. After the toll road, you look down to the river. You'll be viewing the most violent section of the Skagaway River. It is the whirlpool section rated as a Class 6 rapid, meaning that it is unnavigable.
That is pretty. I gotta give you that.
Oh, yes, it is. Phone numbers. Single available.
My luck, I know I get quiz.
Yeah, it does a lot up you.
That one's jam packed.